Hello kids, today we will learn number. Hello kids, today we learn alphabet with number. Magenta color. A for apple. B for banana. C for coconut. One, two, three. A for apple. One apple. One apple. B. B for banana. Two banana. Two banana. C for coconut. Three coconut. Three coconut. Thank you.